Thanks for joining me for my review of the ELEGOO PLA Plus Filament for 3D printers. So we've had this for a couple of months now and we've been really impressed with the overall quality. So the filament arrived well packaged, it was vacuum sealed in the plastic bag and with desiccant in. So straight out of the box it printed perfectly with no popping or bubbling or clogging issues in the printer. And the spool was really neatly wound and I've never had no tangles or snags even on longer prints. So in terms of print quality, it produces really smooth results with strong layer bonding and a nice slightly glossy finish. And when you look at the prints, the layer lines are quite minimal and I've had no warping or lifting in the prints. It does feel noticeably tougher and stronger than the standard PLA, so it's great for perhaps if you're making functional parts as well as decorative parts. So if I show you some examples of what we've printed, these are my son's. As you can see, it's quite an intricate design with lots of moving legs, parts, and it's printed it really well. See, it's slightly glossy on the back. And as you can see, there are no bumps or snags and it's really smooth. It's on this really nice texture on the back. So he's been printing similar things, to be honest. He seems to be fascinated with the figures, robots and fidgets. So this is another little guy that is printed with a shield and a sword. See, his face is really smooth. And his front. These all move, no problem at all. And the third one I've got to show you. You may recognise this of Five Nights at Freddy. So you can see even like the whiskers on his cheeks have come out perfect. Look really good. So yeah, really impressed with this. Especially for the price as well. We've actually got a couple of colours. We've got this grey colour, which you can see my son has been blasting through. We've also got the light blue colour as well. He seems to prefer this. I think he's obsessed with grey and black, to be fair, so a lot of his figures are coming out grey. So the 1.75mm consistency is brilliant. So it's feeding into the 3D printer is really smooth as well, and there's no under or over extrusion through the printer, and we haven't needed to constantly adjust settings, which is cool. So as you can see, the grey colour looks really clean, professional, and it's exactly the same colour as on the listing photos on Amazon. So for the price, it's really good value. One spool has lasted really well and performs reliable all the time. It's really consistent results. So you can see it's the PLA Plus 1.75mm and 1 kilogram, and it states there what printing temperature you need to use, which is between 200 degrees and 230. And it's also got this little useful measuring guide on the side. You can see roughly how much filament you've got left. So you can work out whether you've got enough for your next print or not, which is cool. And it's also got little holes at various points in the side that you can put the end of your filament in. But as you can see, we haven't. He uses it all the time, so yeah, there's some really good pros to this. It's been easy to print, it was packaged well. It's a consistent diameter throughout the filament. There's been no tangles or clogs. So it's a smooth, clean finish on it, and it seems to be stronger than the regular PLA, which is cool. So if you're looking for a reliable, easy to use PLA Plus filament, and you want something with decent strength and print quality, I'd definitely recommend this ELEGOO one. So we're quite beginners, well my son is, although he seems to have advanced really, really fast. My youngest son also has a 3D printer, which he's had for over a year now, so he's a bit more experienced and he's been using this as well with good results. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, then I would definitely recommend this. So happily be buying this again. So thanks very much for joining me.